Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps to view all your saved passwords on Google Chrome. If you've ever forgotten a login or needed to double-check what Chrome has stored, this quick tutorial will help you find everything in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your device. You can do this either on your computer or your phone. The process works nearly the same way on both. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap the three dots icon. This opens up the Chrome menu. From here, scroll down and select Settings. Settings is where you can manage all of Chrome's preferences, things like browsing data, autofill information, and yes, saved passwords. Next, inside the Settings menu, look for Password Manager. This is the feature that handles all your saved login details. Tap on it to open. Once you're inside the Password Manager, choose Passwords. This is where Chrome securely stores every username and password you've allowed it to save. You'll see a full list of websites, along with the accounts connected to them. To view any password, simply tap on the account you want.